So UC&C has always been an important factor, and many companies have strategies in place, but they tended to be larger companies like Fortune 500 companies. But with recent events and the pandemic, a lot of people being forced to work from home, companies changing the way that they work, this has accelerated these strategies and processes and also included much smaller companies who now need to look at dispersed teams who could be working from home, the office, or even in different countries. So UC&C, which is the Unified Communications Collaboration, um, simply provides this facility in the way that it provides video, voice, desktop share. So groups of people can get together, discuss as if they're in the same room using good audio, good video, and the ability to share, and also with touchscreens annotate. So it's become very prevalent at the moment. And the real beauty of it from our industry's point of view is the adoption rate has increased dramatically because people have now been forced into situations where they've got to try something new, and they found actually it's very straightforward, and many of them have used it now in their personal lives with family and friends to keep in contact. So Midwich stands out from the rest as far as UC&C is concerned because we have a dedicated team of specialists with years of experience across a breadth of AV, including audio, interactive, wireless presentation, video, sound, you name it, the whole team covers the whole piece. And because as a group together, if you add their experience levels, we can configure and bring together any room from a huddle space right through to large boardrooms or even conference centers and innovation centers. What else is unique about our team is that we are focused on the end user, and we can also work with the reseller and with the manufacturer. So we can work at all three levels. None of our team are specifically appointed any accounts, so we don't have any bias. We work very consultatively across the piece, and we work on behalf of Midwich. And on top of that, what the team also has is global reach. So we have UC&C teams across the globe, including Australia, all across Europe and into the US. So quite often as a team, we'll find out information about new products, how trends are going from Midwich Group abroad before we even deal with it in the UK. On top of that, we have My Services, which internally gives us the confidence because we have fully accredited engineers that can help us when things need to be done on site, but also with technical questions. These guys cover areas like poly, immersive, and Barco, D10. So yeah, a fully qualified backbone. So with the experience we have on the ground in front of customers, plus the backbone of support, technical, and all the manufacturers, then it makes us quite a unique team. So the key benefits of UC&C for our resellers and ultimately the end users are the fact that they can now work more efficiently, more quickly. They can bring teams together. Even when the pandemic's over and people go back to work, the hybrid model will be very popular where people will still be doing a couple of days at home, but also coming back into the office, but it'll be more of a hot desk situation. But by having these products, we'll be able to kit out people's homes. We'll be able to kit out meeting spaces. Things like huddle spaces, all may be used initially quite differently whilst the pandemic is running. But you've got to think of future proofing. So these products are really useful and can be adapted when people get back into office spaces. So all of these products being able to be self-contained means that we can move them around, we can deinstall, reinstall, they can go on mobile trolleys. Even cameras that can be the quality at home can be brought into the office. So the products are right for now, but also will be right for the future. And ultimately what it will mean once we get back into the flow of things is that business should actually now be running far smoother, far quicker, and far more efficiently, because people aren't jumping into the car, plane, or train to do a 1 hour meeting and spending most of the day traveling, because there's no reason why you can't do it on video. Face to face is still going to be key from relationships point of view, but people are more likely to see people once a quarter rather than see them once a week.